All right, now let's break down what's happening in the US market. And behind me is the standards and S&P 500 index stocks are categorized by sectors and also industries. And a size represents market cap. And we see the mix of both green and also red. Red means losses and green means gains. And I'm only going to touch on few sectors. And I'm going to start with Nvidia, which was upped or increased by 4.04%. And the current stock price is 170.70. And the latest update on Nvidia's planned resumption of sales of its H2O AI chips to China is part of US negotiations on rare earths, Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick said on Tuesday, and comes days after its CEO met President Donald Trump. And Lutnick told Reuters they put that in the trade deal with the magnates, referring to an agreement that Trump made to restart rare earth shipments to US manufacturers, but he did not provide additional detail. And Nvidia said late on Monday that it is filing applications with the US government to resume sales to China of its H2O graphics processing unit and has been assured by the US it will get the licenses soon. And the planned resumption is a reversal of an export restriction imposed in April that is designed to keep the most advanced AI chips out of Chinese hands over national security concerns, an issue that has found rare bipartisan support. It drew swift questions and criticism from US legislators on Tuesday, and that is Nvidia. Moving on to Google, where Google was up by 0.24% and the current stock price is 182.00. Meanwhile, Meta was down by 1.46%. The current stock price is 710.39. But I'm going to tell the latest update on Google, where Google has agreed to secure as much as 3 gigawatts of US hydropower in the world's largest corporate clean power pact for hydroelectricity, the company said on Tuesday, as big tech pursues the expansion of energy-hungry data centers. And the deal between Google and Brookfield Asset Management includes initial 20-year power purchase agreements totaling $3 billion for electricity generated from 2 hydropower facilities in Pennsylvania. And Semaphore reported on Tuesday the tech giant will also invest $25 billion in data centers across Pennsylvania and neighboring states over the next 2 years. And the technology industry is intensifying the hunt for massive amounts of clean electricity to power data centers needed for artificial intelligence and cloud computing, which has driven US power consumption to record highs after nearly 2 decades of stagnation. And that's on Google. Moving on to Tesla. Tesla is down, unfortunately, by 1.93%, and the current stock price is 310.78. The red color here shows it was down, but Tesla's top sales executive in North America, Troy Jones, has left the electric vehicle maker in the latest senior departure at the company, where the Wall Street Journal reported on Tuesday, citing people familiar with the matter. The vice president of sales, service and delivery in North America, where Tesla's biggest market, Jones has been with the company for 15 years, and shares of Tesla fell more than 1% following the report. The reported exit comes at a time when Tesla is grappling with flagging sales as demand in Europe and North America crumble amid Tesla's aging vehicle lineup and increased competition from rivals offering more affordable alternatives. Tesla has seen a wave of high-level executive departures since early last year, including key figures like CEO Elon Musk, confident, Amitabh Shah, Chief Battery Engineer Drew Baglino, and Global Public Policy Head Rohan Patel. And the head of Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot team, Milan Kovac, announced he was leaving in June, and top battery executive Vinod Mehta did so in May. All right, we have a lot more update after this. Stay tuned with my colleague Nina Rosman after the break.